and welcome back to the channel. This week I have a treat for you because of everyone asking me about the fruit trees on my land. I said I would share the fruit trees that are around me with you. So enjoy as my daughter shows the different types of fruit trees that we enjoy. This is a plum tree, and this was my favorite fruit when I was younger, and then I didn't have it for over 20 years. And then when I moved here, as you will see, there is a plum tree. So I'm getting plum trees again. You can see they are beautiful fruits, small plums, and the taste is like sweet and tart at the same time. Ah, wonderful. Then this is a Ceremonian cherry, and it is so tasty. And maybe I might be saying what persons don't want to hear. I think I like this better than Belgian cherries. Maybe, but it tastes so good, and you see the shape and how they grow on the tree. These are so lovely. I love them. I love them. I love them. And the seeds is very big, and this too grows fairly tall, but it's easy to pick from the ground. The same with the plum tree. Isn't my daughter doing a wonderful job? Because I cannot get to every part. This is a pomegranate tree. I could say when I was younger, I did not like it. The seeds, they bothered me. Although the whatever flesh that I could get, it was tasty, but it was not enough flesh for me. And eating the seeds, I was just bothered. But now I'm older, I can bite up the seeds, drink the juice. I'm not bothered anymore. And knowing all of the health benefits, yeah, I love pomegranates now. Well, you will see the trees are growing among flowers, although they are competing for space. They're still growing together beautifully. And this tree, yes, grows very tall, but again, I can say you can pick some from the ground. This is a 5-finger tree here, but it's not bearing right now. It was bearing last month, I think, or month before. I love this. This too was my favorite. It's still my favorite, but you have to be careful eating these. I overdo it every time because I love sour fruits. I love anything that is sour more than sweets. I don't like sweets. I like tart or sour. And this bear a lot of fruits. All of these trees bear a lot of fruit. So we always have fruits every month. So you see how beautiful and green this tree is. A good tree for to shade as well. This is a bread nut tree. This is not a bread fruit tree. This is a bread nut tree. And it is not indigenous to Barbados, but we have a lot of them in Barbados, and you really have to know how to cook bread nut to enjoy it, because it tastes the taste you have to is acquired taste. So it is nutritious and a good fruit tree to have, but you have to learn how to prepare this bread nut. I only tasted it once as a little child, and I wasn't fancy about it, but now as an adult, I would like to try it again, but no one has never tried it yet. So sometimes persons, especially persons from the other islands, they know what to do with it. So nothing is never wasted. Then this is the cherry tree, one of the cherry trees, and this is my favorite, my Bajan cherry tree. And yes, this is my favorite. You see, look, they're blooming now. This bloom every minute. I can say every week. There's cherry on this tree, and it's young, and we are so surprised that it's blooming already, because we only just planted this. So the Lord knew that I wanted cherries. So and we try to trim it so that it do not go out of hand. But yeah, Bajan cherries is my favorite. Yeah, I love it. So I'm just waiting till they turn red, and then we will come back who will eat these set of cherries. Then we come through, this is the lime tree. Right now, because we had the drought, it bothered this tree very bad, but it still have some limes, but because it was so hot, it turned, as you see there, orange and everything. But some are growing, as you can see, some small ones, so it's coming back. Now we're having a lot of rain, so I'm so happy. And the back was a golden apple tree, and that's a young one, and that is now growing, so that is not going to bear right now. But when it bears, as you can see, the limes, they're coming, and Bajan limes are the best. Big and juicy and sour and tart, best for the cleaning meat, poultry, fish, to make a drink, or to be a garnish. Bajan limes are the best. Right, and this is the small golden apple, and these are mini golden apples. Yes, there's mini ones and there are big ones. So we have a mini golden apple tree, and this bear every day. And that tall golden apple tree is a bigger golden apple. So because we love golden apples, especially when they turn golden, as me, I'm always eat them every day, literally every day. When they say every day, when they're golden especially, we have a lot around here. So that, and you see that bigger golden apple tree is so big. So they start very small, these mini ones. That's another side from the lime tree that was once bushy. Yes, you see the line of coconut trees, and we have a lot of coconut trees. Coconut trees for days. So you know, a lot of baking and a lot of drinking coconut, and that is what I use mostly. Coconut water. And we're going down, down. Yes, more coconut trees. Yes, because we have more fruit trees in the back, but we cannot, my daughter cannot assess it because they have a lot of construction going on the land. Everyone is building because there's a family compound, you can say. It's a lot of land, and we were blessed to everyone to have their own land. This is passion fruit, and you see, and this too was a favorite because I love the drink, and like pomegranate, the seeds will be weird, was weird to eat. You can drink it or eat it, and I prefer drinking it. Right, that's another bread nut tree. Unfortunately, the breadfruit tree was cut down, but this is another bread nut, and that is how the bread nut looks like. Yeah, look at those roots. Again, a tall tree, and you can see a lot of the trees on this land is very tall. Yes, this is a mango tree. Again, cannot assess really, but this is a mango tree that is bearing, and all the mango trees in Barbados has been bearing mangoes every week. This is another one every week. I mean, mango trees are going crazy in Barbados. Every minute there's a mango, and I am enjoying it. Enjoying it. Again, tall trees. I know this isn't the mango tree. A joke with some of my YouTube family. Here we will see another mango tree, and it's now growing. Yes, a lot of mango trees around this area on the land. Then you see a sea grape tree, and all of these things I will have pictures of them, but these normally grow near to the beach, but my mother got one to grow, and next to that is a pawpaw tree, and this is a bigger pawpaw tree, but it grows taller than this, and you know they have a lot of pawpaw fruits. I never liked pawpaw growing up, even to adult, but after I got diagnosed with high blood pressure, I love green pawpaw, not the ripe one, the green pawpaw. So those are the fruits right there. Then this is another cherry tree. Yes, there's two cherry trees. I'm so happy. Well, this is not bearing as yet. Then is banana trees. You know, of course, we have banana trees, and this tree bears 3 feet or 3.5 feet of bananas, and it's so thick. And I don't eat banana. Yes, I don't eat banana. I only eat figs or plantain, and sometimes occasionally buffet, but that tastes bad too. This is a fig tree. As I said, the rain has got all the grass going all out of control. We got behind in weeding, but this is our only fig tree, but is coming. Yes, I'm just waiting. This video is about fruits trees around me, and this is another avocado tree. And I can say in the Caribbean, our pears grow large, and I love it. Different types, different shades, different colors, and all are big and taste so good. Again, that is another mango tree that is bearing again. I hope that you enjoyed this little tour, and you are thanking and praising the Lord that you have the opportunity to have a garden, big and small, to get the food that you need. So, as I always say, keep planting.